This demonstration we're going to look at using the Active Directory Recycle bin. This is a handy little feature. If we do delete anything in Active Directory that we shouldn't, we have the ability to retrieve it back from the recycle bin. So what I've done here is I've just logged into my Active Directory domain controller, just launched up my Active Directory admin center, come to my datum local domain, and what we're going to do here is we're going to enable the recycle bin via our tasks. So we'll click on this button here. As it says here, are you sure you want to perform this action? Once the recycle bin has been enabled, it cannot be disabled. Can't see a reason why I don't want to enable this. I've got plenty disk space, so we'll select OK. Telling us here that please refresh the Active Directory admin center now. Active Directory domain services has begun enabling the recycling bin for this forest. It says it will not function reliably until all domain controllers in the forest have been replicated. The recycle bin config change. Now I've only got one Active Directory domain controller, so replication should be fairly quick. So we'll select OK at this point, and we've now enabled Active Directory Recycle bin. So the next thing we'll do here is we'll just create a new user account. So we're going to do that in the Research Organizational Unit. So I'm just going to come to Research. And within Research, what we're then going to do is just create a new user account. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just right click and create a new user account in Research. And we're going to call this user Test1. So fill out the table. Test1 is the user, test1@datum.com is the UPN, and we specified the password, so we'll select OK at this point. And if we scroll down, we should be able to find our user that we've just created. So there you go, there's our test1 user. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to delete the user account. So we'll just highlight the user and then select delete and say yes to this. So the user is now gone. So we'll just highlight a datum local again. And what we want to do at this point here is we just want to recover our user account that we've just deleted. So what we'll do here is we'll just double click on deleted objects. There's our test user, so we'll right click, and what we'll do here is restore to, and what we'll do is we'll just restore that user account, and we'll restore that user account back to Research. So we'll click OK here, and there you go, come back to Research, and what we should see if we scroll down here, we should see our user. And there we go, there's Test1. That's the end of this demonstration of using the Active Directory Recycle bin. Thank you.